All three. Whose idea was this? All right, you ready, brother?
Ready. 12th year.
What are you guys here to do today?
Jump
hit the water.
Jump in the freezing ocean.
Why?
Because it's fun and it's a good cause. Good donation.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, I've done it the past 5 years. First timer right here.
First time?
Yeah, I'm very scared.
I'm here today to do the Polar Plunge. For charity. It's the 5th year I'm doing it.
Have you done it before?
Nope, this is my first time.
What have you heard about it? Anything?
My brother does it every year, so I'm looking forward to it. He likes it. He says it's the best hangover cure for your New Year's Eve.
You guys going in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, how come?
I don't know. Because we haven't changed our mind in about 13 years.
It's just what you do on New Year's Day.
I am here to do this today. It's my 4th, I think, Sons of Ireland Polar Bear Plunge. I love it.
We are here to bring in the new year by plunging into the Atlantic Ocean.
Why?
Because we're nuts.
I'm here today to plunge into 2020 and jump into the Atlantic Ocean.
Going in?
Absolutely. It's 2019, 2020. We're washing off 2019. It's going to be a good time.
Polar Bear Plunge!
Sons of Ireland are in Asbury Park for the 19th annual Polar Bear Plunge. And we do this event every New Year's Day for local charities in Monmouth County.
Whose idea was this?
His.
Are you going in?
I'm not going in this year. I'm going in.
Are you going in the water, sir?
No. No, I'm not going in the water under any circumstance.
This is my 4th or 5th year doing it. Yep.
Hey, why do you keep doing it?
What's that?
It's exhilarating, you know, starting out the new year right.
Did you get volunteered for this assignment?
Yes.
No, he volunteered me.
He volunteered you.
And every year, one of Catherine's friends join us. And they always say to us, "Oh yeah, I'll do this again next year, Mr. Curtin." Never see them again.
So what's with the costume?
I don't know. I've been waiting a year to put this thing on.
Yeah, because we all want to do it as a group.
Yeah, we got a big group of us. All penguin outfits.
Why are you going in the water?
As a rebirth, a reincarnation from 2019 to 2020.
Have you done it before?
Never done it before, first time.
Okay, we'll see how reincarnated you get.
Thank you.
Polar Bear Plunge!
We've been doing it for 10 plus years, so it's a little New Year's resolution kind of thing. I don't know, it's crazy but fun.
Whose bright idea was this?
Mine. They're going.
Why are you hiding, Dad?
They're going.
For charity, of course, and for fun.
Have you done it before?
3 times. Hopefully this will be the 4th. There's always the option of bailing, but I should do it. I got the outfit. Perfect outfit.
All right, what are we dressed up as this year?
Penguins.
Penguins.
Oh, okay. And I
6
guess
of
what, so
us.
you can handle the cold water better?
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
Flippies.
So you weren't going in, now you're going in. Why?
Yeah. My dad always comes every year. I figured I would go in with him.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I thought you were like dead.
I came back for the Polar Plunge.
You see my big brother?
The mini king.
That's right.
Elvis is in the building.
Are you going in?
Yeah, going in.
Why?
Because it's fun.
It's our 4th year
Plunging
doing
into
it, and now we
2020.
brought them with us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You never did it before?
Nope, never.
Rookies.
I'm excited.
My 4th year, and I plan on doing this until I no longer could walk.
Are you going in?
No.
Not me, I'm the towel holder.
You're going in.
No. I usually do, but I just got surgery, so I can't go in.
It's just our little annual tradition.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out what we've been doing it about 10, 11 years now, so.
I hand sewed the hats. It's one of my hobbies.
All of them?
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
Yes.
This is Team Fear No Shrinkage. 10-year anniversary.
We're going to go inside.
10 years?
It's our 10th year.
Congratulations.
Raised $17,000 this year as a team.
Polar Bear Plunge! Yay!
Why? Start the new year off. Start it off right. Wake up. Wake sharp. Like you said, looks like I just woke up. Catch me when I come out of the water.
You guys looking forward to this?
Yes, very excited, very excited.
You done it before?
Yes, a couple of years in a row. This by far will be the coldest.
It's a tradition every year, 10 years plus.
Since 2008.
Why?
Why not?
Why are you doing this?
Because it's here. And this is how we start the year. Reset.
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 Recharge.
Is this your first time?
No. And it won't be the last.
Today we think we had over 2,000 or 3,000 people show up in Asbury to participate in the event. We're very excited. We think we've raised at least $75,000 for the two charities.
Charity event here at Mary's Place for Mary's Place by the Sea. We're the recipients of this event, and it's going to help fund our support for our mission, which is Mary's Place, helping women with cancer. This is our 10-year celebration. It's 10 years and 10,000 women that we have served from 18 to 91.
This event is a great way to start the year. We have people come from Pennsylvania, Ohio, New Jersey, New York. It's open to everyone, and we encourage anyone that sees this that hasn't been a part of the event to come next year. We welcome you with open arms.